Hello, everyone. There has been a lot of buzz about this word EQ or emotional quotient or emotional intelligence. It is even said that EQ is more important than IQ, especially in the current hyper connected, digitally distracted Gen Z and Gen Alpha children, where it is seen that there has been a drastic decline in the emotional intelligence in this generation. Is it so important? Before understanding what is its effect on humanity, let us try to understand what does emotional intelligence mean. According to Daniel Goleman, it comprises of five things. One, self-awareness, that is I know my emotions. Two, self-regulation, that means I can control my emotions. Three, empathy, I not only understand my emotions but also others' emotions. Four, motivation, that is goal oriented positive action irrespective of the reward. Five, social skills. The social skill comprises of all the above four mentioned, and it is very essential in things like handling bullying in school, to managing work pressure at work, as well as maintaining long term relationships. So, what happens if a generation is lacking in emotional intelligence? As I said, emotional intelligence derive or determine the decision that one take. A decision as small as which ice cream I want to eat, to as big as what is my decision on climate change, how can I protect earth, are all emotionally driven. So it is very important that a generation where we see, because of digital distraction, decreased real time experiences and interactions, this decline in emotional intelligence can have a serious impact not only in the individual but also at a community, society, and overall humanity at large. So it is the onus on every generation at this point on earth to nurture the emotional intelligence among teenagers and children. Thank you.